Hi, M5973. Please introduce yourself.
Hi to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Maria Luisa Kawahira. I'm born in May 18, 1983. I'm 42 years old. I live in Moriones Street, Metro Manila. I married to Japanese but separate in 12 years ago. I am single but I have a live-in partner. I have two sisters and two brothers. I'm
Religion?
Roman Catholic. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a helper here in the Philippines, I'm 2 years and 8 months working here in the Philippines. I served three person, including couple and 2 years old girl. My course is cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, cooking. Uh, uh,
Okay, and you are the one who took care of the girl, right?
yes,
Okay, since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
yes,
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature, then the stomach if hungry, and the diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after everything that you have done, what will you do?
I call my employer to tell that the baby is not okay.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because the salary is high, and I want my family. I want to help my family, and for me, for my future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Did 2 years to finish my contract, and depends on my employer if you want to work continue.
Okay, so it is okay to you to continue your contract if your
Yes.
employer wants. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I watch YouTube, then read books, recipe books, like a Chinese books.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
yes,
How about sharing jobs with a
Yeah.
helper?
yes,
Sharing room with kids?
yes,
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
yes,
If your employer have a pets on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them?
yes,
How about taking care of elderly?
yes,
If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, uh, um, I'm hardworking, honest, and I give my best to do all my duties.
Okay. Can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations of their house
Yes,
and also take good care of their children as your own?
yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Maria Luisa.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.